Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make Chopsuey in microwave oven. We'll see what are the ingredients need for that. We need 150 grams of carrot, we need 150 grams of beans and 150 grams of cabbage. Half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of corn flour and little water. Now we'll see how to make that. We are adding to this also in a Pyrex dish. And little salt and at last we'll add pepper and little water, that means 50 ml of water. And little mix it. And close from a lid. We'll keep this one inside the microwave and close and put to microwave P10, that means power 10, and confirm it, and we'll put for 10 minutes. This is enough, and we must add little pepper and we'll add one tablespoon of corn flour and add little water. Mix it well. 2 tablespoons of water for 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now we must keep this inside the microwave for another 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes. Here's my after 2 minutes. I kept in the microwave and took it. If you want gravy, you put 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 4 tablespoons of water and add and keep it 2 minutes and take. And if you want green color beans and all, you keep it 8 minutes for boil in microwave. After that you take it out and add corn flour 2 tablespoons and 4 tablespoons of water and mix it and add to this vegetables and add pepper also and mix it well and keep it another 2 minutes and take. It's 2 ways serve it for this plate. This is my microwave Chopsuey. I didn't add any artificial flavors. I add only salt, pepper and corn flour. You also make and see like this. It's very tasty. Thank you for watching.